Switches and routers are common type of devices to help connect a network. Because they are often integrated into a single device, it can be challenging to understand the distinction between these items. In some cases, the terms may even be used interchangeably through this interconnect. The function and uses of these devices are very different from one another. So friend, in this video, we will going to discuss about the difference between switch hub and routers. So friend, I am Neha and welcome back to my channel Neha EE tutorial. So friend, let's start the video. In comparison to router and switches, a hub is a least complex and least expensive device. While they have often been used as a quick and easy way to connect a small network, they are becoming increasingly replaced by switches. A networking switch is a type of hardware that uses packet switching to receive and forward data to its intended destination within a network. Essentially, a switch is a more efficient, more intelligent version of hub. Perhaps the biggest difference between hub and switches is the way that it delivers data packets. Rather than blindly passing along data to all devices in network, a switch records the addresses of the connected device. In doing so, it learns which devices are connected to which ports. Then when a port receives a data packet, the switch reads its destination address and send it directly to the intended device in the network instead of every single port. As a result, a switch can greatly improve the speed of network that receive a lot of traffic. A router is the most intelligent and complex of the three network connection devices listed in this article. Rather than just forwarding data packet to the other devices in a single network, routers are designed to forward data packets between two or more networks as well as direct traffic between them. They are typically located at gateways and can be programmed to understand, direct, and manipulate traffic. Many modern routers are designed to integrate and capabilities of the switch and hub router in a single device. Depending on the application, router range in the size from small broadband device to large industrial wireless router. So friend, these are the difference between switch, router and hub. So how was my video? Write on comment. Thanks for watching.